In this video, we are going to find out whether trading option is a good idea. People who were having big exposures to these futures or big exposure to stocks, let's say someone is a partner in the company and he holds a lot of stock of that company, or someone is a farmer, he's growing wheat and he has a lot of wheat that is coming out of his field. These guys have a lot of exposure to these underlyings. To minimize the risk, like if a farmer gets a bumper crop of wheat but the price drops drastically, he won't benefit as much from it. Let's say you are a partner, you hold a lot of stock, and for some reason, some bad news, some government policy, whatever it is, market comes crashing down and your stock price reduces. That exposes you to a lot of risk, and to manage those risks, options were designed. Now, traders being traders, they found out that they can see good trading opportunities in options, and you can pay much less as compared to acquiring the complete stock or paying the futures margin. You have to pay much less if you're buying just a call option or a put option. Also, they went one step ahead and they designed complex strategies where they buy certain strike options and sell certain strike options against them, so they are getting benefits of both the worlds. These instruments, which were originally designed to manage risk, traders found out a way to trade them. Whenever the underlying moves, the options move, and they, instead of trading the underlying, they started trading the options. So my objective here is to help you understand this complicated concept and then help you with certain strategies, certain ways of trading these options, so that you can make money safely from these leverage instruments. Another question that traders often ask: can option trading make you rich? Now, obviously it can. On one side, you have traders who are making consistent money with options. On the other side, there are horror stories of traders blowing up, losing a lot of money than they plan to lose while using options. So what is the catch here? The catch is you can become rich by trading options if you manage your risks in your trades correctly. Whether you are using options to manage risk in your portfolio, or you are using complicated option strategies to use options only to make money in the markets, in both scenarios you can make money if you understand and manage your risk correctly. That is precisely what options are, a risk management tool. Now, first traders ask, can option trading make them rich? And then they ask, can I make a living trading options? Now, that is a realistic question, much more realistic than can you become rich trading options. And the answer is absolutely yes. You can make a consistent living using option strategies. But there are certain things that you need to take care of before you start trading options. The first is sufficient capital in your account to take decent size trades. To increase your profit potential or the amount of money you make, you will have to take larger option positions. And to take larger option positions, you will need sufficient capital in your account. The second point is you must have deep understanding of the concept of options, how they work, as well as the markets overall. So if you have just started trading and you again are planning on trading options and making a lot of money, I mean, you can get lucky for a while, but smart money won't let you get much ahead in the game. And then you will end up paying back much more than you made with your initial luck. So deep understanding of option concepts as well as overall markets is a must. You will need a lot of screen time, a lot of experience with trading options. Now, there is no shortcut around that. No matter whether you are listening to me or any other mentor, if you are not spending sufficient time in front of a screen, observing how the market reacts, observing how the options react in different situations, especially in case of extreme volatility, it will be very difficult for you to trade options consistently from the profitable side. And lastly, you will need a consistent framework to help you nail points number 2 and 3. That of deep understanding of options as well as markets overall. And secondly, the patience, the screen time, the ability to be calm under pressure in times of extreme volatility. All that will come if you have a reliable, sound, logical framework to base your trading decisions on. The next question that often troubles traders is they want to know, are options safer than stocks or futures for that matter? Well, they certainly are cheaper than buying the full amount of stock or paying the futures margin, but they are not necessarily safe. They will become safe if you understand them and use appropriate strategies where you are hedging your risks. If you keep your options position open, then there are certain risks associated with that position. And you can manage those risks very well by using combinations of options, long options, short options, put options, call options, all those things we are going to study in detail, but you can use combinations of these and then make options much safer than plain buying or selling a stock or buying and selling a futures position. So we are going to answer many such questions going forward in this series. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, enable the bell notification, and I will bring a ton of content on options going forward for you. So thank you for listening to this video till the end, and on your screen there are suggestions for the next video you should watch, and I will see you in the next one.